Hi everyone, today we're taking you through a detailed guide on how to microneedle at home safely and effectively. If you're looking to boost your skin's health, reduce wrinkles and achieve a glowing complexion, then keep on watching. Before we begin, let's talk about what microneedling is. So microneedling involves using a device with tiny needles to create micro injuries on the skin's surface. This process stimulates collagen and elastin production, leading to smoother, firmer skin. Now let's go through the steps you'll need to follow. Firstly, it's crucial to sanitize your microneedling device. Spray with Clinisept to ensure it's completely clean. This helps to prevent any potential infections. Now let's start the microneedling. Make sure you start with a clean face and divide your face into areas roughly the size of a credit card. Gently roll the device over your skin. Roll vertically, horizontally and diagonally like a Union Jack. Applying minimal pressure, let the needles do the work. Be careful around the eye area and avoid any active breakouts. After microneedling, apply a hyaluronic acid serum. This will help calm, soothe and hydrate the skin. Finally, apply SPF the morning after, or if you're microneedling during the day, ensure you're protected before heading out. Your skin will be more sensitive to UV rays and sun protection is essential. And there you have it, a simple, effective routine for microneedling at home. Remember, consistency is key, but don't overdo it. Microneedle once a week to allow your skin time to regenerate. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.